Even if you have just as little as 20,000 naira, you can start importation business. Like, you don't need a lot of money to start importation business. Don't mind all these people that they will tell you that, oh, the supplier might not send one goods for you, or they might send a lot of products for you. Guys, debunk all that rumor, because all those things are just like rubbish. Yes, I would say rubbish, guys. You can start importation as little as 20,000, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. So put your mind at rest and let's dig it. You see this thing right here? You see this product right here? Let me show you. As you can see, so this is a wrist chain that I sell in my country, guys. I sell in Nigeria right here, and I will tell you that this thing doesn't weigh 1 kg, and I have over 100 pieces here, guys. In this bag I have over 100 pieces, and I will tell you that, like, all these things that people are saying are actually wrong. Like, you don't need a lot of money. Yes, you don't need a lot of money. So this is a wrist chain there. Let me show you one. You see this thing? You just put it in your finger, guys. You put it in your finger. You see all these wrist chain, all these like Burna Boys and all these stars, guys. You see Davido and all. So this is the replica of it, guys. You can see here, it is a tennis chain. It is the replica of it. So you can actually be guessing all this stuff from China, guys. All this stuff that will weightless, and you will ship through air. So the shipping fee will be less. The amount you are buying it will be also be less, guys. So I buy this thing for, I think, less than 2 yuan or something, guys. So I'll put the picture right here. You should see the amounts I do get it from. So for my supplier, guys, so I do buy like 20 pieces or 30 pieces, guys, and all those pieces, like it's not even up to like 20k. I think it's around that, like 20,000 naira. If you buy like 20 pieces or so, guys, it's not even up to 20,000. So all these things, guys, you can get there, and then you will say, yeah, guys, so I sell this thing for 6,000 naira, like 6,000 naira in Nigeria. Actually, it depends on where you are buying it from, guys. So if you're around Lagos, so you get this thing for like 5,000, 6,000 naira. But if you stay outside of Lagos, guys, so I sell this thing for as low as 5,000 naira, guys. So I sell this thing on Jumia. So like, we are going to also be talking about Jumia on this platform, guys. So like I said, if you are new, make sure you subscribe, guys, because I'll be showing you that all these things is not rocket science. You can actually make money for yourself, guys. So importation is the real oil money. So I make like times 5 of this money. Like, if I sell one, I make like times 5, because these things cost, like, with the shipping fee, cost like 720 naira, and I sell one for like 6,000 or 5,000. So do the math yourself. So you also know that all these things is not rocket science. You can also do well for yourself in this industry. So like I said, you don't have to have a lot of money. 20,000 is enough money to find you a winning product. I actually, like, I supposed to not show you this product, guys, but I want to be real as possible for you guys, so that if I know that I'm doing it, you can also do it. I'm not special, guys, so you can also do it. What you just need to do is take your time and do market research, guys. So like, look for product that doesn't weight a lot, guys, that weight like very less, that weight like 7 grams per one. So I think this weigh like, I think like 12 gramish or something. It's like 12 gram. Yeah, it's like 12 grams. So it doesn't weight a lot, guys. So I will have to buy a lot of this thing before it can weight like just 1 kg. I will have to buy a lot. So you don't have to buy like all these like expensive stuff, guys. So like I said, you can even like invest in a cap business. All these cap, guys, where is it? I think I have one here. So this is it right here, guys. So you can also be buying all this cap. You see all these men cap, guys, like, you can also be buying. They are much of a quality than these lights, like, so you can get the one of a very good quality than this one, guys, and you will sell and make a lot of money. You see all these caps, so that doesn't weigh much. Like, cap is like 0.1 or 0.15, which is like 115 grams. So you can also buy like probably like 10 will weigh like a kg, or like 7 or 8 sharp. So we weigh just 1 kg, guys. I do you know how much you can sell it for? Guys, Don't sleep, guys. Don't sleep. People are making money in Nigeria. Yes, the economy is bad, but people are making money. Oh. So don't sleep, guys. So it's not only scam that can make you a lot of money, and business can make you a lot of money too. What you just need to do, you need the right information. You see, like all this trendy car like doesn't have all this clip, guys. Like it will be round, everything. I think I'll put the picture right here, guys. So it will be round and all, guys. You can buy those cars for like 3,000 naira with the shipping fee. Like buy like 3,000, 4,000 naira, and you sell for like 10,000 naira here in Nigeria. Yes, you sell like 10,000 naira. So there's a person I know on Instagram actually. So that person sell all those type of car for like 25k, like nothing less than 25k for Lagos, or is in Lagos actually. So it's a big brand in Lagos. So they sell for 25k. 25,000. Do you know how much is that? So that person make like times 5 of this money back. So you can also be that person, guys. Even though you can't be that person, you can be yourself and also like implement that strategy, guys. Buy and resell. So I will also be buying like those type of caps soon. So I'll be showing you guys, and I'll be showing you how much I get it from, guys. So that is it. So actually this is not from China. Actually this is in Nigeria one. I bought this cap in Nigeria, and I bought it for 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira, guys. So if I actually buy this thing from China, and then like I would have got it for like 2,000 or even less. So it depends, guys. So all these things are like all these things I can only tell you about it, but you need to take action so that you can see that there is a lot of opportunity in this importation business. So don't let money be the barrier. So no matter how much you have, guys, you can start. Yes, you can start. And even if you don't have any money, you can still start, because there is what we call pre-order. So there's what you call pre-order. What you just need to do is like find people. You might even run ad, all this like WhatsApp ad or all this Facebook ad or something, guys. Just run the pre-order ad that you are doing pre-order and all. So a lot of people will join your group, and when people join your group, guys, you started posting things on 1688 and Pinduoduo, guys. Put your own price. You might put like 500 naira, 1,000 naira gain. So when person buy just one thing, you might get like 500 naira or even 200 naira, guys. So it depends. Like just imagine like people buy like 400 pieces of different things you bought. So you'll be making like over 200, 300,000 on just that one pre-order, guys. On just one. I don't have any money. By you doing that, you already have capital to start your business, guys, and you already have a name for yourself. Because now, like when you clear your goods and you distribute goods and all, guys, people will trust you more. And now you have a video to advertise your brand very well. Like you have a video, like you can do different video editing. You understand? You will show your face or like unboxing and all, guys. So you already have a video you can use to do all that, and then you can rerun another hack, and then you make a lot of money this time, because now more people will be joining your group, because they will like more trust will have been involved, and also your previous buyer, they will also like recommend you to a lot of people if they are satisfied with what they get. So that is just how it works, guys. So it is not rocket science, guys. As a young man, it is not only scam that can make you money in Nigeria. There are a lot of businesses you can do that can make you money in Nigeria. So don't feel discouraged even if the government are not doing bad. The government are not going to save us. It's just like God. God cannot come down to save us. God will send someone for us, guys. And before God do that, you have to be halfway. Before God will meet you halfway. You can't just be sitting down doing nothing, then you expect miracle to come from anywhere, guys. No, it doesn't happen like that. You also have to like take advantage, like be into different things before one clicked well. So that's just how it works, guys. So I hope in this video I've able to convince you where that even with as low as 20,000 naira, you can make money in Nigeria easily, and you can that 20,000 you can flip it like times 2 times 3. And just imagine now you have like 60k, then you use 60k to buy more goods, then you'll be making times 3, guys. So it is just gradual process. In like a year, you don't know where you will be. Just like me now, in a year now, I don't know where I will be, guys, because the growth will be exponential, guys. So that is how you should be thinking, guys. That's how you should be thinking. It's not everything stamp. No, there are a lot of ways you can do it, guys. There are a lot of ways you can make it out of this Nigeria. So that'll be all for this video, guys. If you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe, guys. Please help the brand and let us get to 1K sub in no time. And thank you for watching. See you next time.